Good morning, students. Today we shall continue the determinant chapter, that is adjoint of the square matrix. Already we have studied the adjoint of square matrix definition, theorems, singular matrix, non-singular matrix, invertible, everything we have studied in the last class in the theoretical part. Now we shall begin the problems based on the adjoint of the square matrix. First one, find the inverse of the matrix -1, 5, -3, 2. To find this inverse value, let A be a square matrix of order 2 into 2. Let A equals to, right, -1, 5, -3, 2. Then determinant of A is given by -1, 5, -3, 2. Then first find the determinant value by using principal diagonal elements minus secondary diagonal elements, which gives 13. It is a non-singular matrix. There only inverse exists. Therefore, A is a non-singular matrix, so A inverse exists. There next what we should do means, we have to find the cofactors of an element. First, the cofactor of A11. Already we know very well cofactor of an element A of ij is denoted by capital A of ij. Always cofactor is denoted by capital A, and it is defined by A of ij is equals to -1 to the power of I plus j into the minor of that element. Am I right here? Okay. Then the cofactor of A11 means -1. The A11 is equals to, according to formula, -1 to the power of I plus jth row into minor of this element is 2. Minor of this element is 2. Am I right here? Minor of A11 is 2. So into 2, which gives -1 square into 2, that's equals to 2. Then cofactor of A12. A12 is 5 here. Formula -1 to the power of I plus j into the minor of this element is -3. Minor of A12 is -3. That's equals to -3 into -1 into power 3 into 3. Then simplifying we'll get 3 here. Similarly, the cofactor of A21 is, that is, cofactor of A21th element is -3. According to formula, -1 to the power of first column, second row, then -1 to the power of 1 plus 2. The minor of this element is 5, hence multiply by 5, which gives -5. Then cofactor of A22 element is -1 to the power of, this is the second column, second row, hence 2 plus 2 into its minor is -1. Cofactor of A22 elements minor is -1. That's equals to -1. Hence 2, 3, -5, 1. 2, 3, -5, 1, which gives the adjoint of A. Adjoint of A. Am I right here? How can you write means the rows are converted into column which gives the adjoint value finally. As it is, we have written in this square matrix. So again, adjoint of square matrix is 2, 3. Means rows are converted into column. Rows are converted into column. The adjoint of A is 2 minus 5, 3 minus 1. Hence, the formula for A inverse exists. 1 upon modulus A into adjoint A. Already modulus A is 13. 1 upon modulus A means 13 into 2 minus 5, 2 minus 5, 3 minus 1. This is the answer. This is one of the method to find the cofactor of the elements by using NCERT concept. But another one similar method is there. For this very easy method, directly we can find the adjoint by using only changing the principal diagonal elements and in secondary diagonal elements sign only. Then we can find the adjoint of the square matrix also. In next problem we see. Then the next problem is find the inverse of the matrix for third order determinant 1, 2, 3, 0, 2, 4, 0, 0, 5. So let A equals to this much. Then determinant of A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 0, 2, 4, 0, 0, 5. First you find as usual determinant value by using the determinant expansion method. Then the determinant value is 10. Hence, therefore, A is non-singular. So, A inverse exists. In this case, how do you find the A11? Means cofactor of the element A11. A11 is 1 here. You leave this column, this row, then remaining square matrix is 2 into 5 minus 0 into 4. Hence, 10 minus 0 equals to 10. By determinant expansion method, you find the cofactors. A12 is 2. You leave this column, this row, 0 into 5 minus 0 into 4. That's equals to, by using the signs here, plus, minus, plus, for second row minus, plus, minus, third row plus, minus, plus. Am I right? Hence, A13 is the plus sign. Then similarly, you find the cofactor of A13 element, that is, then leave this column, this row, 0 minus 0, which gives 0. Then A21 also like this, you find A21 value 0, you leave this row, this column, 2 5s are 10, minus 0, which gives minus, because A21 sign is minus sign. A22 is plus sign, that is 2, then you leave this column, second row, 1 into 5, 5, minus 0, 5. A23, then this is 4, you leave this row, this column, this row, and this column and this row, then the remaining elements are 0 minus 0, then hence 0. A31 is 8 minus 6, because you leave the third row and first column, which gives third row, first column, 2 4s are 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6 means 2. According to the sign, that is plus, hence plus 2. A32 is 0, hence this row, this column, leave it. Then only remaining elements 4 1s are 4 minus 3, that's equals to 4 minus 3 into 0, 0. 4 minus 0, according to sign, minus 4. Here 33, 5. So leave this one. 2 ones are 2, minus 0. That is 2, according to sign, plus. Hence, first you write down 10, 10, 0, 0. Vertically you write, how do you find the cofactors? You write in this systematic manner, A11, A12, A13. As it is vertically, you write in the adjoint of the square matrix 10, 0, 0. Then 21, 22, 23 means minus 10, 5, 0. Then last column is 2, 4, 12. 2 minus 4, 12. 2 minus 4, 2. Hence, this is the adjoint of, hence the adjoint of matrix is 10 minus 10, 2, 0, 5, 4, minus 4, 0, 0, 2. You write as usual A11 little below A12, little below A13 means vertical column you write directly, you apply here to find the adjoint A by finding the cofactors of the elements. Then A inverse is equals to 1 upon modulus A into adjoint A. That's equals to 1 upon 10 into the adjoint is 10 minus 10, 2, 0, 5 minus 4, 0, 0, 2. Okay? Hence, this is the result for third order of the matrix. Okay? Is it clear? If you are having any doubts, you ask in the doubt clarification session. Shall I proceed with the next question? See here, the third question. If A is equals to 2, 3, 1 minus 4, B, a square matrix B equals to 1 minus 2, minus 1, 3, then verify that AB inverse is equals to B inverse into A inverse. Yes, this is the third problem. We have A into B, means first A is one of the square matrix of order 2, B is also one of the square matrix of order 2 he has given. Then verify that AB inverse is equals to B inverse into A inverse. Therefore, first what we should do means, first we find multiplication of these two square matrix A into B by using matrix multiplication method. So, first we have to find A into B by using matrix multiplication method. First row, first column, then first row, second column, 2 ones are 2, then minus into 3 into minus 1, minus 3, 2 into minus 2, minus 4, 3 into 3, 9, then 1 into 1, 1, minus 4 into minus 1, plus 4, 1 into minus 2, minus 2, minus 4 into plus 3, minus 12, by simplifying minus 1, 5, 5 minus 14. This is the product of A into B, product of A into B. Since we have to find the determinant of AB value by using simplification, 14 into 1, 14, minus 25, plus 14 minus 25 minus 11, which gives the determinant of AB. Then we have to find next adjoint of this AB. Adjoint of AB matrix is equals to, we have to interchange the principal diagonal elements minus 14 minus 1 in this place. Hence you change here. Principal diagonal elements are interchanged. Secondary diagonal elements sign will be changed. Plus 5, that becomes minus 5. Here plus 5, this becomes minus 5. Hence adjoint of the matrix AB is equals to minus 14, minus 5, minus 5, minus 1. This. Hence AB inverse is equal. Hence AB inverse is equals to 1 upon determinant AB into adjoint AB, 1 upon minus 11 into minus 14, minus 5, 1. That is equals to multiply by this minus sign to entire this square matrix of 2 into 2, then which gives 14, 5, 1, 1 upon 11 into 14, 5, 1. This is LHS of the given AB inverse value. Next, we have to find determinant of A is equals to then minus 8, minus 3, 4 2s are 8, 3 minus 4 into 2 minus 8, minus 3 1s are 3, minus 8 minus 3 minus 11. Similarly, determinant of B value equals to then 3 1s are 3, minus into minus plus, 1 2s are 2, into minus minus, 3 minus 2, that is equals to 1. Then by using the A inverse equals to 1 upon minus L1, because determinant A into the adjoint of the A, directly you change the adjoint value, interchanging of the principal diagonal elements, minus 4 2, then change in the secondary diagonal element signs. Hence, then the adjoint of A is minus 4, minus 3, minus 1, 2. Similarly, B inverse equals to 1 upon determinant A, 1 upon determinant B into, then change the principal diagonal elements 3, 1, 3, 1. And 1, 2. Then change the sign of the secondary diagonal element 3, 1, interchange the principal diagonal elements and change the secondary diagonal element sign. Hence, B inverse is equals to 1 of determinant B, 1 upon determinant B into 3, 2, 1, 1. Then, according to the given question of RHS, verify AB inverse is equals to, RHS side is B inverse into A inverse. So, according to given question, B inverse into A inverse is equals to minus 1 by L1 into 3, 2, 1, 1 into minus 4, minus 3, minus 1, 2, which gives minus 1 by L1 into, multiply these two, we will get 14, 5, 1. Hence, according to given question, AB inverse is equals to B inverse into A, hence proved. The next question is, find the inverse of matrix 2, 1, 3, 4, minus 1, 0, minus 7, 2, 1. You know, let A is a given matrix. Determinant of A equals to 2, 1, 3, 4, minus 1, 0. minus 7 to 1. By simplifying this determinant value, we get minus 3. You know very well how to simplify this determinant. Minus 3 is the determinant value. Hence, therefore, A is non-singular, so A inverse exists, obviously. Then, what we should do means, again we have to find the cofactors of the first element A11. A11 is 2 here. So, A11 is the cofactor of first element. You leave this row, this column, then by directly we get a square matrix of minus 1, 0, 2, 1, minus 1 into 0, minus 0, minus 1, minus 0, minus 1. Similarly, we find here A12 cofactor is minus 4. A12 is this element. You leave this column, this row, 4 ones are 4, minus 0, because minus 4, according to sign minus 4. A13 is, then this is the A13th element. Cofactor of A13 is, leave this column and this row, 4 to the 8, minus into minus plus 7, again into minus, minus 7. Because minus into minus plus, into minus, minus. 4 to the 8 minus 7 is equals to 1. Hence, A11, A12, A13, write like this vertically means the same type of concept you kept in the determinant box, you will get the adjoint value. So, A21 adjoint is cofactor is 5, A22 cofactor is 23, A23rd cofactor value is minus 11. A31 is 3, A32 is 12, A33 is minus 6. First, then we have to find the adjoint of the matrix by using minus 1, minus 4, 1. Vertically you write down 5, 23, 11, 5, 23 minus 11, 3, 12 minus 6, 3, 12 minus 6. Therefore, A inverse equals to 1 upon adjoint A, 1 upon determinant A into adjoint A. That is equals to 1 upon minus 3, determinant value is minus 3, into minus 1, 5, 3, minus 4, 23, 12, then minus 1, 5, 3, minus 4, 23, 12, and 1, minus 1, minus 6. In this way, we have solved 4 problems. In the next class, we continue with the problems based on the adjoint of square matrix. Okay, if you are having any difficulty, you ask me in doubts clarification session. We will clarify everything. Yes.